Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby Channel. This is a quick review of Emax Interceptor FPV car. Once again, thank you Banggood for sending me this car for a review. This is a quick review, so I'm not going to go in depth with many things. But this car and FPV system are very intuitive to use. There's also a manual, so you can figure it out very easily anyway. With that out of the way, let's get started. There are two packages of this car. The first package is $56 without goggle, in case you have one already or want to buy something different. The other one is full package with goggle for $96, which is a perfect entry point for anyone who wants to start doing FPV but doesn't have anything yet. What I have here is the full package, and let's open it up. It is packed very well into the box, and you can reuse all the foams to make a carrying case to transport the car. Inside the box, there's everything from charging cable to screwdriver. The car is awfully simple. There's no differential at the back. And the front suspension is just some floppy arms. The transmitter is also very simple. It runs on 3 AA batteries. There is only the steering trim to make the car go straight. You can't adjust anything else. The car is full proportional for both steering and throttle. It has full function, forward, brake and reverse, which is impressive. The camera is 600 TVL. Inside the goggle, there is single 4.3 inches screen. It is compact and surprisingly comfortable. However, you cannot wear right glasses when using it. Here is the battery pack. Just plug it in to turn the goggle on. The goggle is really good. The image is sharp. The delay is unnoticeable. There are also indicators for battery level and signal strength. Everything is charged via USB. When the car battery is full, the light will go out. And when the goggle battery is full, the light will turn red. The car battery takes about half an hour to charge, and it gives me about 12 to 15 minutes of runtime, which is not a lot, but not bad. The battery is 1-cell LiPo. The plug is JSTPH 2mm 2-pin. You can also upgrade to a bigger battery. Let's move on to the handling. It drives pretty well considering it doesn't have a differential, so taking corner isn't its strong suit. Sometimes the front wheels shake violently when turning, so the whole image is wobbly and makes me feel a little bit nauseous. The car also isn't very fast. It tops out at 16 km an hour. Despite all that, when you look through the FPV goggle, the sense of speed is tremendous. At first, it's a bit difficult to drive, but once you get used to it, it is very fun, and the camera position is perfect. Of course, the handling isn't as good as other cars in this price range. But imagine having 2 of this or more and rest them around the house. It would be a lot of fun. In conclusion, if you look at the car alone, at this price, you can do better if you buy a car, a camera, and a goggle separately. For example, if you get the WL Toys K989, a cheap all-in-one camera, and the same goggle, it'll cost roughly the same. However, you'll have to solder the wires or plug another battery into it, not to mention the amount of fixes you'll have to do to make it run properly. So, When you look at the Emax Interceptor as a whole package, then it starts to make sense. The main selling point of this car is simplicity. You only have to provide your own AA batteries for the transmitter and USB charger for the car and the goggle. There's nothing to fix, just shut it up and off you go. All in all, this is a good package for anyone looking to start doing an FPV car from zero. So where do I go from here, since this car has nothing to improve? Well, now that I have a goggle, I want a good handling car to go with it. And I also want a smooth ride. And since a lot of people have done the K9H9 FPV already, so for my next project, I'll turn this A252 into an FPV car and try to make it as smooth as possible. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook or social media for quick updates, written reviews, news, and see what I'm doing between videos. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.